How to fix runtime errors on Windows 11. 1. Run sfc and dism scans as admin. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanupimage/scan-help-dism/online/cleanupimage/restore-help-to. Prepare Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable packages, if you can. 3. Reinstall Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable packages. 4. Remove, using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide, then reinstall the program causing the runtime error. 5. Install Windows updates. 6. Try Windows Clean Boot Mode. 7. Perform system restore.